barely even hold on to the fucking steering wheel.
Dude, you're pretty good.
Yeah.
Show this to Kelsey. Nah.
You have my hands, right? Oh, the video's gonna be like. Oh, you're still going, aren't you?
Yeah.
Oh, you're just gonna pause it and crop it, aren't you?
No, I can't. I should have paused it earlier.
Oh.
Oh well.
Well, you can crop it when you upload it.
Oh, that's right. I'm not cropping that.
Oh, I can't tell that's somebody over there following us. That sucked.
Ah,
That was
Jesus.
That was a one turfer.